Lookout, y'all. One time for the one time. We live on Lookout Racing. We got the bracket racing going on out here at XRP, man. Trying to see what it is one time for the one time. The people on TikTok, y'all go ahead and check out my YouTube. Lookout Racing. Lookout. Messed up on this side, y'all. I got it in 1080p
malfunction junction
on my YouTube channel. It sure look good and clear. Everybody been with the bike. Right lane for the win. Right lane for the win, y'all.
16, 10,000. Advances to the next round. 524.
Right lane advances to the next round. Hey, look out the people that's on my TikTok, man. Y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. I got it over there in 1080p, man. This show looks really good right now.
Final round, junior dragsters.
Look out. Hey, look out, y'all. This is my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. It's going down like James Brown already.
73.5 miles an hour. Congratulations, runner-up Brig Ray.
Oh yeah, she happy, y'all.
Tonight, Carter.
All right, we over here. Let me see. Did y'all pick the right one? My TikTok channel, they been picking the wrong cars tonight, y'all. Y'all need to pick the right cars. Y'all ain't been picking the right cars. I'm on y'all.
All right, so our street final and our junior dragster final are in the books. 4 classes left. Lots more racing yet to come.
Got a lot more racing yet to come. Hey, man, we got a lot more racing yet to come.
Make sure you take care of the
all right, I'm just letting you know. Let me see y'all. Man, hey, y'all, I got the Caprice here. That thing running. I got that Caprice up here. I probably, let me see what he got right here. I probably knock the doors off. Let me see what he got. He got a helmet on. I don't got no helmet. He might be fast because he got a helmet. Look out, you got that intake?
Just bolt on, bro.
Oh, just both on?
Yeah.
Okay. You know about Lookout Racing?
Yeah, bro, I follow you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You can beat my Caprice?
No, I promise you I can't.
You can't beat the Caprice?
No.
Oh, okay, I thought you could beat it. Let's see what he got anyway, y'all.
Let's see what his daily is.
Let me see if he can whoop me. Okay. He could do a better burnout. Somebody on. Hey, my TikTokers, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing, man. It's going down. Oh, yeah, I get him. Y'all think this Mustang gonna make a full pass? Pick the other side if it ain't. Okay, that was a full pass, y'all. What about this? Okay, what about this one right here, y'all? Got an old 5.0 versus. Hey, man.
My bad.
Hey, you got him, right? Because I'm bidding with you.
All day, baby.
All day. He said he got him, y'all, all day.
Saturday
y'all.
Night Grudge.
Right side.
Gear off.
Okay, he got him, y'all, all day. Hey, look out, y'all on my YouTube channel.
What up, what up?
Hey, man, Lookout Racing, man. It's going down like James Brown. Damn, I ain't got no more cards.
What's your YouTube?
Lookout Racing. Lookout.
Lookout Race?
Racing.
Racing.
Yeah, as soon as you type in Lookout and you press R, I'm gonna be right there at the top waiting on you.
Okay.
I'm gonna be at the top waiting on you. Lookout all.